Hello friends, hope you are keeping fit and fine. You should study, but don't forget to take precaution of your safety. So let's come to the point today. Today we shall deal with a very important topic of CBSE grammar, and that comes in the secondary examination and plus 2 examinations also in class 11 syllabus also. This is called one word gap filling. Students often get confused thinking what word they should put in the gap because it's a vast syllabus. One thing I like to tell you that the only grammatical words will come here. Grammatical or structural word, not the words like any noun like chair, table, fan, etc. These words will not come. Only grammatical words will come, and today I will give you the idea of the type of the words that you can put in the gap. I will not tell that this video is 100% foolproof, but if you follow this video, you will be 99.9% sure to put correct word in the blank. Now let's look at the board. First you have to detail. Suppose you are given a question and you have to put the one word in the blank. Now you have to decide. First you have to decide the tense of the passage. Determine the tense. It can be single tense, it can be multiple tense. Maybe one sentence, maybe the whole passage in the present tense or past tense, or it can be one sentence is in present tense, after 2 lines, third or fourth sentence maybe in the past tense. So that you have to remember, because verb form are decided depending on the tense of the sentence. So first determine the tense, then you have to decide the verb form. Suppose you think that you have to put a verb form there. So be verb can be am, is, are, was, were, been, and be also. It can be preposition also, like it can be simple preposition like on, at, with, between, among, for, of, OWF of, before, after, depending on the situation of the sentence. And it can be appropriate preposition also, like fond of, afflicted with, deals in, deals with, give up, give out, this type of sentence. Then you have to remember the phrasal verbs or group verbs. And there is in any good grammar book you will get the list of the appropriate preposition, and you have to remember those prepositions. Otherwise you cannot put the proper preposition in the blank. Now conjunction. It can be conjunction also when the question of joining comes. Then, and that can be and, but, yet, so, only, therefore, or, neither nor, either or, otherwise. These are the conjunction, and conjunctions can be of 4 types: cumulative, adversative, alternative, and illative. All the conjunctions that I have written on the board, they belong to these 4 groups. Now it can be adverbs also, like as, because, so that, then, as, although, even if, TWO2, enough, rather, fairly. It might be modals like should, must, can, may, would, ought to, need, and dare. It can be helping verbs also, one word gap filling. It may be the helping verbs like do, does, shall, will, has, have, had, did. These are the helping verbs that you can put in the blank. I will give the examples also. Adjectives can come like every, any, many, much, most, few, little, each, one. These are the adjectives that can be placed in the blank. Articles with exceptions, A and D. We know that if the word begins with conjunction, we put A before that. If the word begins with vowel, we put an before that word. And sometimes there is the exceptions also, like an hour, an honest man, a university, a unique idea. And there are the rules of the also. I am not going in detail. You have to know the rules of articles A, an, and the. And depending on the situation, you have to put the right article in the blank. उसके बाद देखिए देयर और ईट आ सकता है डामी सब्जेक्ट बन के. डामी सब्जेक्ट मतलब सेंटेंस के शुरुआत में वो आएगा. देयर आर 5 boys in the class. There are 10 boys in the class. It was winter then. It is 9 o'clock now. इसमें देयर और ईट का कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता है. इसीलिए हम लोग इसको डामी सब्जेक्ट कहते हैं। फिर प्रोनाउंस आता है ही, सी, वी, आस, हीज, हर, हर्स, देयर्स, आवर्स, मी, माइन, माइन, इट्स, आई। WH वर्ड्स एंड हाउ भी आ सकता है, लाइक हु, व्हिच, वेयर, whom, what, when, how many, how much, how often. So these are the WH words that can come, that can be put in the blank. जनरली एक ही वर्ड हम लोग वन वर्ड गैप फिलिंग में डालते हैं, इसको याद रखिएगा। अगर इस चार्ट को आप बढ़िया से समझ लीजिएगा तो मेरे ख्याल से आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा वर्ड डालने में। आप कुछ एग्जांपल यहाँ पर दिए हैं, देखिए, बॉय वॉज गिवन ए प्राइज, इट कैन बी द बॉय वॉज गिवन ए प्राइज, इट मे बी ईच बॉय वॉज गिवन ए प्राइज। इसको और बढ़िया से करने के लिए आप सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट का रूल देख लीजिएगा, मेरा वीडियोस भी है संजय इंग्लिश क्लासेस चैनल में। 2 पार्ट में हम उसको बनाए थे, सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड सेकंड पार्ट। आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू टू वॉच दोज 2 वीडियोस एंड देन यू विल गेट बेटर ग्रास्प ओवर दिस सब्जेक्ट। फिर देखिए, रवि डैश सिक, आई वेंट टू सी हिम, इट विल बी रवि बीइंग सिक, आई वेंट टू सी हिम। फिर देखिए, नीदर ही नॉर आई डैश रॉन्ग, it will be am wrong. This is the rule of subject verb agreement, because I is the second subject, इसलिए am होगा। I am all right dash I am a little tired, यहाँ only लगेगा, I am all right only I am a little tired। फिर देखिए, E में dash the child is naughty people like him, इसमें opposite idea आ रहा है, इसलिए although या दो डालिएगा, although the child is naughty people like him। F में देखिए, the girl is dash proud to talk to anybody, यहाँ TWO2 लगेगा, the girl is too proud to talk to anyone, मतलब the girl is so proud that she does not talk to anyone। फिर देखिए, during pandemic people dash wear mask, people must wear mask। dash of the books is lost, one of the books is lost। अक्सर हम सुनते हैं one of the boy, one of the idea, ये wrong है। वन ऑफ द बुक्स होगा, वन ऑफ द बॉयज होगा, वन ऑफ द आइडियाज होगा, लेकिन सब्जेक्ट होगा सिंगुलर। उसके बाद देखिए, वेयर मेनी ट्रीज इन दिस फॉरेस्ट वंस, तो देयर वेयर मेनी ट्रीज इन दिस फॉरेस्ट वंस, पुरानी बात हो रहा है, ओल्ड टाइम वंस है, इसलिए वेयर आया है। जे में देखिए, दिस मैच डैश बीन वन बाय अस, सो इट विल बी हैज बीन वन बाय अस। के में पीपल ट्राई बट ओनली ए डैश सक्सीड, so it will be many people try but only a few succeed, many people try but only a few succeed। L में क्या है, she dash be a doctor next year, she will be a doctor next year। M में dash many students came yesterday, क्वेश्चन है तो how many students came yesterday, how many students came yesterday। सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर जब क्वेश्चन होता है तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब का जरूरत नहीं होता है, हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स डिड कम करने का जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट केम आ जाएगा, सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस। ये देखिए, आई हैव बॉट दिस बुक डैश दिस बुक इज डैश, तो आई हैव बॉट दिस बुक सो दिस बुक इज माइन, सो दिस बुक इज माइन। कालिदास इज डैश शेक्सपियर ऑफ इंडिया इज द कंपैरिजन, कालिदास इज द शेक्सपियर ऑफ इंडिया। पी, the girl is dash intelligent, it can be the girl is fairly intelligent, the girl is fairly intelligent। Q, this book is rather costly, dash है तो dash costly, rather costly। fairly आता है पॉजिटिव मीनिंग में, जैसे fairly intelligent, और नेगेटिव मीनिंग में rather costly ऐसे होगा। तो स्टूडेंट्स एंड फ्रेंड्स, here we have described, we have dealt with, or we have learned the rules of one word gap filling। You see, I never say that I taught you, it's a combined process of learning, I am also a learner, along with you I learn every day, and so it's a together we learn a particular subject। So today we have learned the rules of one word gap filling, all the the possible words are given here, might be one or two come sometimes in the examination which I have not given in the chart, that you can find out, that's not a very difficult thing, and I have given you some tricky one word gap filling that will help you to have a clear idea in this subject। So let's stop this discussion today. Let's conclude here. I wish you all the best. Having any kind of doubt, I am always here to help you. Thank you very much.